So yes, this is the second visit by Chancellor Scholz to China since he became Chancellor. He only came once in 2022 and just for a day. And obviously, the key topic of this trip is trade. The trade level between China and Germany is about $250 billion a year last year. That was quite striking, despite all the talks of probes and issues, trade issues between China and the European Union. Germany remains the key trade partner of China. So he visited a factory, a Bosch factory of hydrogen fuel cells, which is quite striking and speaks volumes for the interest for the China market as far as the German industries are concerned. But at the same time, there's something which brings back the issue to Europe is why is Germany acting alone vis-à-vis China, as opposed to traveling with other European leaders or having a joint approach to China? I think that's a question that a lot of people have been asking.
Indeed, and you also get the sense here that perhaps Olaf Scholz is looking to position himself and Germany as a European leader here, particularly when it comes to maintaining that China relationship in the run-up to the US election, where we could see a big calculus shift.
Yeah, you're quite right. I mean, obviously, nobody knows what the outcome of the November presidential election in the U.S. will be. It's possible that Donald Trump will become president again, and therefore will start bilateral dialogues with China. Therefore, the Europeans cannot afford to stay out of the China relationship, which has been so important. Remember that China is the EU's largest trading partner, and Germany counts for about half of that. The problem is you have German companies investing, trading with China, and the rest of Europe is lagging behind. At the same time, the EU has launched a probe over Chinese electric vehicles, for example. Of course, China doesn't like that. But that means there are a lot of concerns in Europe itself for the future of the car industry. That includes German car manufacturers, but some of them, of course, are somewhat involved in this business because they've kept investing in the China market, which is still the top automotive market in the world. At the same time, I think Chancellor Scholz might try to speak about geopolitical issues, including the war in Ukraine, but I don't know if really his language will be taken very seriously, because there's just so much going on in the world, including in the Middle East, as you said. And China has really clearly said they will not interfere and not, speak to Russia's Vladimir Putin.